Hi viewers, now I am showing write a C++ program to convert the input characters to uppercase if they aren't already. So now this program was very important. So many times, every Java programmer must learn this program, and this program was very simple also. So the program was converted into the character to uppercase. So here we have to get into the small characters that connect to uppercase. So now I have a program that's very little bit program I have to write for you. You have to easy to understand that. So the program is here. So the program is there. So you have to easy to understand that I have to write it. So first I have to explain this program right now. So here hash include iostream.h. So this is the header file of this program. So every Java program must have header files. iostream.h means input output stream.h. In that scene and cout the scene and cout statements we have used in C++. So the type of object we have used in C++, we have used the iostream.h. So otherwise the Java C++ compiler doesn't take the words. So here we have to use the printf and scanf statements. We have used the studio.h. So I don't use it. So I don't use the header file. So now here this is the main function. So these two lines are most useful and most common for in C++. Now char first, middle, last. So we have to give the character because we have changed the character to first, middle, we have to change the character to uppercase. Now first, middle, last. So now int bitmask is equal to 223. So here this is the binary code that's very important. We have to learn that is the bitmask equal to 223. That means in binary number. So here that was very important because this bitmask was choose to change uppercase letters. So now here cout cout means print statement. So what is your first initial? So that is first we have to read it. What is your middle initial? We have to read it middle. Cout what is your last initial? We have to read the last. So now first equal to first and bitmask, turn off bit 5 off. So now middle equal to middle and bitmask. So now last equal last and bitmask. So here this is the very important lines at here. So first equal to first and bitmask. So now middle equal to middle and bitmask, and last equal to last and bitmask. So now cout your initials are first, middle, last. So we have to change that. Now return 0. So here this is the program, and this program was very easy. I have to know that. So this time I have to write a program in my C++ IDE. So many people have take the video, but we have to put the program only a notepad. So do not execute and compile. So this time we have to compile and execute it. So first we have to type the program in my Turbo C++ IDE. So found Turbo C++ IDE first. So now here my computer, sorry, TC. So now in the TC we have to go to bin. So now we have to go TC. So here, so this is the Turbo C++ IDE. So now this time we have to enter the all code to this 2. So here the Turbo C the mouse has not worked. So the Turbo C++ the mouse has been worked. That too we have to know that is the Turbo C++ IDE. So here watch it. This is the Turbo C++ IDE is there. So now click file, go to new. So in that we have to type it. Now hash include iostream.h main char first, middle, last. We have used 3 characters. Now int bitmask equal to 223. So now cout what is your first initial. So now cin first. So now see out. So now what is your middle initial? In middle. Now what is your last initial? Now in last. So now here we have to type the first equal to first and bit mask. So now middle equal to middle and bit mask. Now last equal to last and bit mask. So we have to change 3. So now here we have to see out your initials are first and middle. Now last. So we have to use 3. Now return 0. Now close it. So here I have to type successfully in this program. So this time we have to compile this. So in the C turbo C and turbo C plus plus IDE we have used the compile. We have to compile the program. Press Alt plus F9 to compile it. So press Alt plus F9. So here the compile line says 886. That is only one error, single error is there. So what's the error? So here there is a small error. We have to correct it. Now press Alt plus F9 again. So 892 lines was compiled and the warnings is 0 and errors is 0. So this time I have to execute it. Now press Ctrl plus F9. So what is your first initial? That is A. So now what is your second initial? N. So now last initial is L. So here the output will execute, but output I can't see the output because you cannot get the getCH method. So we have to see the output. You cannot give the getCH method. Press Alt plus F5. So what's the your initials are ANL. So what's 3? So here this is the way to convert input characters uppercase if they are already. So here this is the way and this is the program. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.